What's the meaning of apartment block? Apartment block. Apartment block. Apartment block.
An apartment block is a large building containing multiple living units or apartments. These buildings are typically designed and constructed to house many families or individuals, each occupying their own private living space. Apartment blocks often include communal areas such as lobbies, corridors, and shared amenities like laundry facilities or recreational spaces. Due to their compact design and efficient use of space, apartment blocks are a popular housing option in densely populated urban areas where land is at a premium.